D is for discus throw, discus throw. E is for equestrian, equestrian. F is for football, football. G is for golf, golf. H is for high jump, high jump. I is for ice hockey, ice hockey. J is for javelin, javelin. K is for kabaddi, kabaddi. L is for long jump, long jump. M is for marathon, marathon. N is for netball, netball. O is for orienteering, orienteering. P is for polo, polo. Q is for quadrathlon, quadrathlon. R is for rugby, rugby. S is for skiing, skiing. T is for table tennis, table tennis. U is for unicycle, basketball. V is for volleyball, volleyball. W is for wrestling, wrestling. X is for xer, xer. Y is for yacht racing, yacht racing. Z is for zop football, zop football.
Hello friends, hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.